Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: funded payment method, ID, and a bank or provider that issues VCCs. Open the issuer app or website and sign in. Create or verify your profile so the provider trusts the account. Once done, navigate to the virtual card section and select Create New VCC, pick single-use or reusable, set an amount or limit, and choose Expiry. This immediate action sets up authorization and reduces friction for later payments. Now you configure the virtual card so it matches your use case. Choose single-use if you want one transaction safety or reusable for subscriptions. Set currency and a per-transaction limit to control exposure. Next, set expiry, short for one-off purchases, longer for ongoing services, and decide whether to allow recurring charges because that affects how merchants can bill you later. Make sure you copy the card details securely and, if needed, add the VCC to your digital wallet or merchant profile. Finish by testing the VCC with a small authorization so you confirm it processes and triggers any 3D secure checks. If the payment is declined, make sure the card limit and currency match the merchant. Verify billing address formatting, CVV, and that funds are available. Once the transaction succeeds, revoke or cancel single-use cards immediately, and for reusable cards, set alerts. If something goes wrong, cancel the VCC and contact the issuer. Most issues are limit, verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.